The link is in the description and also in the comments. Place your order today before stock runs out. Leave a like and subscribe to the channel. The Redragon K530 PRO Draconic 60% wireless RGB mechanical keyboard is a compact gaming keyboard that offers versatility and customization options. Here are some key features. Layout. The keyboard adopts a 60% compact layout, meaning it's smaller and more space-efficient compared to full-sized keyboards, making it great for gaming setups with limited space. Wireless connectivity. It supports both Bluetooth and 2.4 GHz wireless connectivity, allowing you to connect to various devices wirelessly, providing flexibility in usage. Wired mode. Additionally, it offers a wired mode for a stable and reliable connection when needed, ensuring uninterrupted gaming sessions. Hot swap socket. The keyboard features hot-swappable switches, allowing you to easily customize your typing experience by swapping out switches without soldering. This feature is great for users who prefer a particular switch type or want to experiment with different switch options. Switches. The keyboard comes with tactile brown switches, which offer a tactile bump for feedback while typing, making them suitable for both gaming and typing tasks. RGB lighting. It features RGB backlighting, allowing you to customize the lighting effects to match your gaming setup or personal preferences. Plate-mounted PCB. The keyboard comes with a free-mod plate-mounted PCB, which offers durability and stability during intense gaming sessions. Overall, the Redragon K530 PRO Draconic offers a blend of functionality, customization, and portability, making it a suitable choice for gamers and typists looking for a compact and versatile keyboard. The link is in the description and also in the comments. Place your order today before stock runs out. Leave a like and subscribe to the channel.